News out of Springfield. COVID-19 cases for this week so far are nearing 1,500. It comes as the indoor mask mandate just went into effect earlier this week.
And the city has reached a new all-time high in a single day. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis joins us live in studio with more. Leon?
Jordan, Chris, the previous record in a single day for cases in the city of Springfield was 561. Now on Monday, the city saw 688 cases, and the week is not over yet.
It's scary. You can be a carrier and not know it.
What one Springfield resident thinks about COVID-19 cases continuing to go up. Let's compare this week to the past 2 weeks of cases. For the first week of January so far, the city of Springfield is at more than 1,400 cases, and that's only in the span of 4 days. That's already more than the 1,100 reported cases the week of December 19th, and almost 900 away from reaching the all-time high from last week, more than 2,300 cases. This is all happening as testing lines continue to be backed up. American Medical Response, which operates the testing site at the Eastfield Mall, sent out an update on Wednesday night. It says in part, "Our lab partners have shared with us that their regular turnaround for next day results will be impacted by the post-holiday surge of testing. We anticipate the regular turnaround time of 24 to 36 hours to be closer to 36 to 48 hours. All of the data may not be fully in from this week." Elizabeth Miranda tells Western Mass News getting COVID at this point is something inevitable.
I've had COVID myself. I've had people, friends, family members with COVID. I mean, I don't think it's anything that we can avoid, per se.
With the indoor mask mandate going into effect in Springfield this week, we checked in to see how things are going at a local restaurant.
We've been okay with it. It's not something we haven't seen before, so it's easier this time to have the right pieces in place and be able to make the right adjustments.
Making the right adjustments also means when employees test positive. The general manager of Max's Tavern, John Thomas, tells us 3 to 4 of his staff members recently tested positive, along with having some close contacts.
We went through a couple staff members over the past week that did test positive and were out of the building. So we were a little short-staffed last week, but I think we're okay now. They'll be coming back within the next week or so.
But many knew this was coming.
I kind of expected this, especially after the New Year's with the new Omicron virus that came out and all the people gathering. It was a matter of time. I think we got another week or two and it's going to really blossom, unfortunately.
I also checked in with city leaders today, and I'm told a decision on whether or not to keep winter sports paused in Springfield will come soon. Live in studio, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.